Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix a speaker not working on iPhone iOS 17 update after update. So how can fix this issue? I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So first of all, you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then your problem will be fixed. 15 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart. And then second solution, you have clean the speaker. So you have download, then you see he is a speaker. Then you have clean the bush with, and then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution, you have sound settings on iPhone. So uh, open the setting, and then you have click on sound and haptics, and then you have check your ringing. Then he is working 100%. And then he is this solution, this problem. So is sound is turned off, not ringing on your iPhone. Then you have check in this option, so he is turned on and then off. So then other solution, you have update iOS version. Then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then you click on software update. Then you have see the update iOS version on your iPhone, then you are available, and then you have download or install on your iPhone. And then last solution, you have turn off Bluetooth. Then you have Bluetooth is turned off. You have already connected and this another airpods. Then you have disconnected from Bluetooth, and then you have disconnect headphone on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.